How you doing? Look. What's your name, bud? He wants to shake my hand. You're so cute, you know that? Yeah? Tell me a story. That's pretty interesting. Is that what happened today? Wow, that's a lot. How does that make you feel? Oh, he notices someone. Is that what happened today? 2 times over? You're the coolest little animal ever. Can I take you home? I'm gonna name you, okay? Hey, buddy. What do you got there, huh? What's that? You're so sweet. You don't even know it. I'm gonna call you Colin Yellowhair. That's your new name. You like it? You like your new name? Look. Say hi. Say hi to my friends and family back home in Canada. Say hi. I'm gonna show them this video and they're gonna love you. Colin Yellowhair. Look at the camera. Baby. I know you like to clean your fur, but you can't be rude. You got fans already. So cool. Mr. Yellowhair. Hi. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Bye.